This video will show you how to fold a Hawaiian tree snail origami, and this little guy is from my book Rainforests and Reefs. So let's get started. We'll start with cutting out our origami pattern. So this pattern starts with a kite fold, and the important thing about a kite fold is to kind of really make sure you match up your corners and everything. So what I'm going to do first is you'll see there's this diagonal line between the two shells. Go ahead and match your corners and fold along that diagonal line. Again, match your pointed corners right here. I like to kind of like just press it flat a little bit before I flatten the entire fold with my finger. Okay, now unfold. Now that fold that you just created will serve as a guideline for when you create your kite fold. Okay, so turn your origami over, and then you're going to fold up diagonally to meet that midline that you just created, the diagonal fold that you just created. Okay, so that's your first fold, and you're going to repeat on the other side. Again, try to create a nice corner at the tip and then match this edge along with that diagonal fold that you created earlier. Now you're going to repeat it on the other side. Fold diagonally, creating a nice tip at the end, and then matching this edge against that midline and creating a nice sharp crease. And then last, you're going to do it on the other side, creating a nice corner at the tip right here, and then matching this against that diagonal fold, and then running your finger over it to create a nice crease. Now we are going to create the tail. So on this blank side, not the printed side, because this side will be the head, fold it up, and as you fold it up, you're going to see there's a little white area. This will help you create the tail. So fold it up along that line E, and you're going to fold it back down along that line F. So you're creating kind of like an accordion fold. The next step is to simply fold it in half along that center line. There you go. So now you can see the snail's body and the shell, and this part's going to be the head. So you see that there's a diagonal line here, a little guideline. Fold it up against that diagonal line and fold it back down. Turn it over, fold it up again along that diagonal line G, and then fold it back down. Now you're going to create the head by kind of like pushing it into a valley fold. See how I push the midline in with my thumb, and it automatically folds in half along those nice creases, and I close it back up. And now you've got kind of like the snail's body going up into its head. Last part is take your scissors and then just kind of open up that head and snip it down maybe about an inch so that you can open up the little eye stalks. And there it is. You have your Hawaiian tree snail.